Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing and I'll show you again another street light for backyard, front yard or path. It's great because it's solar light and it's great to have it because you never have to charge it actually. The sun will charge it. It's a little bit more investment up front but less after because you don't have to buy battery or spend any money on the charging. Okay. So let's do this unboxing. So it's a 600 watt light. It's a bit smaller than the other one I have before, and it's great for pass probably, as it has sensor over here, turn on, turn off. It also comes with a remote. You can regulate from the distance, 25, 75, 100 or 50%. Also it gives you 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours or 6 hours or 8 hours timing. All this necessary hardware it's included. So basically you need to attach for some. It's actually turned on already on there. I'm going to turn it out this way. And it also comes with a kind of white color. The other one I have it was black, but it's okay. And if you need it also comes another piece you attach right over here, the black one, and once you attach here you insert it and tighten up. So it's pretty simple. So I installed the two lights now. I'm gonna remove the first one, just install it to see how it will look. I'm gonna keep the back one on the back and then install another side the same way. So here's a remote control. I'll show you how it works. It has a motion detection button over here. If you want motion, then you have 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%, and then you can set how many hours you want to. So this is 25%, this one is 50, this one is 100 actually, and this one is 75. So it's pretty bright actually, and it's only 600 watt. So I'm gonna do the motion, and I will do motion. Actually they use the same remote control for both of them. As you can see, this one on me and this one I need to get closer I guess. So I'm gonna turn this light on. Now it's in motion. I press the middle one, is in motion now. So it's pretty bright, but not 100%, as you can see. But then it will turn off, and if somebody walking, or even me, if I need to throw the trash, it will give me enough light. I know I have the small one, but I have to turn on every time. This one is automatically will turn on, charged by the sun, and be here whenever I need it, because as you can see, I start to move, it will catch me in action. So it has a motion detection, and it's pretty bright actually, even for 600 watt. If you need a brighter, I have another one, I think 1000 from another brand, but I think 600 is pretty good actually for the sides. And I believe it takes 30 or 60 seconds before it will turn off, like this, and then if I start to move, it will turn on again. Okay, so it works pretty good actually. And I use a stud, it's 2x3 to attach it to the fence. Actually it's not that heavy, so it should be fine. It's shaking a little bit, but with the fence, otherwise it should be just fine. We have a lot of winds, so a little bit shaking is fine. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.